Las Vegas. Port South 2367, flight level 190 for 12000.
That's 2367 Las Vegas, roger. Just to start here, LA said you had 384 souls. I don't think you guys can physically hold that much. How many people you got on there?
88.
Just 88 or 188?
88.
Thank you, sir. And what runway would you like? I got one left, one right, 26 left.
One left, Southwest 2367.
2367, expect runway one left. And do you have the fuel in pounds per se? Or if not, that's not a big deal.
Yeah, we got about 15,000 pounds.
All right, thank you. Southwest 2367, descend and maintain 10,000, fly heading 290, vector's final approach course.
10,000, heading 290, South 2367.
That's 2367. I know you said there's an electrical issue there. Are you guys and the cabin on oxygen, or just you guys, or nobody?
Just us in the flight deck, and it's subsided. It's not like full engulfed or nothing like that, but it's all precautionary.
Yeah, very good. No, we totally understand. Last time we had smoke in the cockpit, the command center wanted to know that question, so it's nothing I'm really going to do about it. I'll just get all the information.
Okay, roger that. We're off of the map now. The smell's gone away, but we still want to continue with the emergency because we can't control the source of power.
That's 2367. No problem. And let's go to a 300 heading, 300.
Okay, a 300 heading up with 2367.
Stop with 2367. When you're able, proceed direct tray, intercept runway 1 left, localizer.
Say again, South 2367.
South 2367. When able, proceed direct tray, TRREY, intercept runway 1 left, localizer.
Direct tray, intercept 1 left, South 2367.
Southwest 2367, descend and maintain 9,000.
Maintain 9,000, Southwest 2367.
That's 2367. You guys want the visual or the ILS this evening? Doesn't matter to me.
We can do a visual, Southwest 2367.
Very good. Southwest 2367, descend and maintain 7,000. When able, the airport's 1 o'clock, 20 miles, advise and sight.
Alright, 7,000 and airport site Southwest 2367.
That's 2367, cleared visual approach, runway 1 left.
Cleared visual 1 left, South 2367.
Southwest 3267, contact tower 126.975.
Is that 2697 for Southwest 2367?
That is all correct, 2697.
2697 to you.
Red Dog 40, the emergency aircraft is now number 1 on final, 12-mile final.
And tower Southwest 2367, 1 left.
South 2367, Las Vegas, tower 1, runway 1 left, cleared the line.
Clear line 1 left, Southwest 2367.
Southwest 2367, do you want to taxi across 1 right, or you want to hold when you get off?
Go ahead, just taxi across, and they got us parked in Charlie 1.
South 2367, just want to confirm, you just want to taxi to the parking, or you want to stop on Delta and let the emergency vehicles get to you?
Maybe just taxi to parking.
South 2367, copy.